Hello, everyone. Today's day 8 lectures in Python series. We are studying such topics. Firstly, built in dictionary functions. After that, built in dictionary method. After completing two topics, now we are moving to the introduction to sets, basic set operations, built in set functions and method. After that, list comprehension, set comprehensions, and at last, dictionary comprehension. These eight topics are covered in today's day 8 lectures. Now we move to the first topics, built-in dictionary functions. Firstly, we are covering theoretical portion. After that, some basic to advanced level coding questions. Now starts our theoretical portion. What is built-in dictionary functions? A dictionary is a mutable data structure that stores data as key value pair. Now after that, what is dictionary? A dictionary is a mutable data structures that stores data in the form of key value pair. Mutable is that we are changeable, something we are changeable, then that's called mutable. Some Python built-in functions that works in the dictionary. Firstly, len. After that, type, max, minimum, sorted, sum, and so on. So firstly, we are talking to the len. Len returns the total number of key value pair in the dictionary. The syntax of len is len inside a dictionary. Inside len dictionary. The syntax of len is len dictionary. This is the syntax of built-in functions in len. Now one example based on len. Student Inside dictionary, three things are present. Firstly, name, after that age, and after that course. Now print students. What's our output comes? 3. Basically, in this example, there are three key value pairs. So, len returns 3. In these questions, there are three key value pairs. First, name, second is third course. After we studied len, we move to the type. Type returns the which type of object. Type returns the types of object. Now the syntax of type is type dictionary. Which type of dictionary? Now based on this one example, we are seeing our output comes class dictionary. Now our output comes this type because of the object belongs to the dictionary class. Object belongs to the dictionary class. Now we move to the next max. We all know that max it means maximum. Now see one example based on max. Output comes 30. 30 is the maximum marks. Now we move to the similar as minimum. 10 is the minimum marks. This is the example of minimum. After we move to the sorted. After sorting the marks 10, 20, and 30 comes output. Now, next we are talking to the built-in dictionary method. Firstly, methods and functions that belongs to the dictionary object. Method and functions that belongs to the dictionary object. Now, firstly talking get, after that keys, value, items, update, pop, pop item, clear, copy, set default, from keys, and so on. These are studied inside built-in dictionary method. Firstly, we are talking to the get. Get returns the value of a given keys. If the key doesn't exist, it returns none or a default value if provided. Now the syntax of get method: dictionary.get keys. Based on get, one example: now output comes Ankit. Now we, we move to the next keys. Keys returns all keys of the dictionaries. Now we are talk to the pop item. What is pop item? Removes and return the last inserted key value paired. One example: Now see the output comes. Name Ankit is 20. Pop returns and remove the last inserted key value pair. So name and is are the output coming. Now we move to the next topic, introduction to sets. A set is built in data type in Python used to store a collection of unique element. It is represented using curly braces or by using the set function. How we represent the sets? Curly braces, curly braces, and and set functions. These two are the representations of set. Now we take one sets example. Print s. Print s after the print output comes 40, 10, 20, and 30. Because of the order of element in set is not fixed, so the output order may varies. Now we move to the properties of set. Set is unordered, no duplicate elements. Set is mutable. Element must be immutable. Allowed int, float, string, tuples. Not allowed list, dictionary, set. Now we are moving to the next three important topic: list comprehension, set comprehension, and dictionary comprehension. Firstly, when we use list comprehension. List comprehension is used to create a list in one line. To create a list in one line. Example: squares of number. Print square. Now output comes 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Firstly, given range 1 to 6, it means it generates number between 1 to 5. 1 to 5. And at last, result is stored in a list. Result is stored in a list. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Now, based on this, one more example. Even x for x in range print even. Output comes 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, these two examples are the basic examples. We move to the next topics, set comprehension. Why we use set comprehension? Set comprehension is used to create a set in one line. We are talking last topic, list comprehension. List comprehension is used to create a list in one line, but in set operations, this is used to create a set in one line. Now see one example. Print a squares. Output is come 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. In list operation, this is also similar, but in list, the brackets is different. In list comprehension, bracket is different. In set, curly braces is used. In set comprehension, now we move to the next topic, dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension is also used to create a dictionary in one line. See one example based on dictionary comprehension. Output is coming 1, 2, 3. Output is coming 5 number. In this example, key and value. Keys are the number, but values are the square of number. Keys are the number 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 5. These are the keys. But 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25 are the values. Now, after completing theoretical portion, we move to the some practice based questions. First questions: create a list of cube from 1 to 5. Now see, cube for x in range print cube. Now our output comes 1, 8, 27, 64, and 125. Because of in range values starting with 1 up to 5, up to ending with 5. Now see one another example. Create a set of multiples of 3 from 1 to 15. Now see x for x in range if x modulus 3 print s. Now our output comes 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Now move to the next questions. Create a dictionary where key and number from 1 to 5 and values are even or odd. Now see now output comes key in the form of key value. Keys are the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but values are odd, even, odd. Now we are covering some coding based questions. Our first question is, a student, a school student wants to manage student marks. Write a program that stores student name and marks in a dictionary. Add a new student. Update the marks of an existing student. Remove a student. Display only student scoring 80 or above using dictionary comprehension. After that, print the topper's name and marks. Now see the questions. This is our questions. A school wants to manage student marks. Write a Python program that stores student name and marks in a dictionary. Add new student. Update the marks of an existing student. Remove a student. Display only student scoring 80 or above using dictionary comprehension. After that, print the topper's name and marks. Now, write the code according to these questions. Firstly, we take four students: Ankit, Rahul, Aman, Priya. After that, add students Riya 18, update marks Rahul 81. After that, remove the student name, student pop. Now our output comes: Ankit 85, Rahul 81, Priya 91, Riya 88. Highest score: Ankit 85 marks, Rahul 81, This is arranged in the key value pair. Now, student Ria, 88 marks, add a new student. After that, student Rahul, 81, updates Rahul marks. 81 updates Rahul marks. Now after that we are adding Pop remove Aman. Pop is added to remove Aman. Dictionary comprehension filter students with marks greater than equal to 80. This is the code of these questions. Now seeing the next questions. To a store maintains their inventories in dictionaries. Write a program to merge both the dictionaries. After that, add quantities if the same product exists. Find common product and unique product. After that, printing the product in alphabetical order. After that, print the product in alphabetical order. This is our questions. Now write the code according to these questions. Firstly, store one. In these questions, question text two stores maintain. So firstly, we made one stores. After that, second stores. After that, inventory. For items, quantity in store two items. Now, firstly run this code. Firstly, we seeing these questions. Get is avoided error if a product does not already exist, and find common product. Find product present in only one store. Sorted prints product alphabetically. Sorted prints product alphabetically. This is our output of the code. Merged inventory, laptop, mouse, keyboard, monitors, common product, keys and keyboard, unique product, laptop, monitor, sorted product, keyboard, interrupt, laptop, monitor, and mouse. Now, one next questions we are seeing related to number analyzer, list, set, and dictionary comprehension. Firstly, see these questions. Given number from 1 to 20, create a list of a square of even number. After that, create a set of cube divisible by 3 and create a dictionary containing each number and its square. After that, find the sum of all even number. These are our questions. What is given? A number from 1 to 20. Now create a list of a square of even number. After that, creating a set of cube of divisible by 3. And lastly, created a dictionary containing each number. Now write the code. Now, according to these questions, firstly we take number range 1 to 21. After that, generates number starting from 1 up to 20. The last number 21 is not included. Number stores the sequence. In line number 2, this is called list comprehension. List comprehensions means one number at a time from one number. Now after that finding the cube, after that squares. Now at last sum of all even number. This is our output. Firstly print even square. After that cube set, square dictionary in the form of key value pair. At the end, sum of even number. Sum of even number. Now today's day 8 lectures we are completing today's targeted topics. Now next day Python series day 9 we are studying about class, parent class, inheritance, and so more topics. Up to day 8th lectures we are covering completely 4 unit. Now next day lectures 9 covering unit 5th starting